Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about widening and narrowing reference conversions in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in this program, what I have done is I have two classes, class A and class B, and our class B extends our class A. And in my main method, I have created the instance of my class A, and using the reference variable of class B, I refer to the object of class A. So now first let us try to compile this program. Now let me compile the program. So here you can see we have the compilation error, incompatible types, A cannot be converted to B. Now on line 12 I have modified the program. So I've added the cast operator and I've cast to my class B, right? So now let us see what happens if I try to compile this program. Now let us try to compile the program. So as you can see, the compilation error is gone. Now let us run the program. So now we get some error at the runtime. So as you know that casting is a way of telling to the compiler that we know what we are doing. So not to perform any compile time checks. But at the runtime you will get the error as the actual object is not of the same type or the subtype, right? So here the actual object is of the super type, right? So that's the reason you got the error at runtime. All right. Now let us look at this modified program. So now our class A reference variable points to the object of class B, which you can see on line 11, right? And this is possible in Java because our class B contains all the properties and behaviors of class A, right? So now let us try to compile and execute the program. Now let us try to compile the program. So now let us execute it. And now you can see the program ran successfully. So this casting using the reference variable of supertype to subtype is called as narrowing conversion. And one thing that you need to know about narrowing is that if you try to convert to unrelated types, right? So here we have the reference variable of our class A, and if I try to convert to this class C, then I'll get the compilation error because our class C is nowhere related to class B or A. So let me show you. Now let me compile the program. And now you can see we have the compilation error, A cannot be converted to C. All right. Now let us understand widening reference conversion. So here we have the object of class B and we are accessing it using the reference variable of class A, right? And this is possible without any cast because of widening reference conversion. So your supertype reference variable can access the object of subtype without any cast. All right. So let me run this program and you should not see any errors, right? So let me run it now. Now let us try to compile the program. So there is no compilation errors. So now let us run it. And here you can see the program ran successfully. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.